Hello, all. We all love plants, don't we? They are just like our family. But it's sad to see the healthy plants with some unusual changes. It is mainly due to getting sick or damage or disease. So, what we do to maintain the health of the plant, this effects can be due to the pest attacks or due to the harm done due to the weather to our house plants. So, here our project Patra Vaidyam comes in a picture where we take a input of the leaf and then predicts its healthy or unhealthy status. And if the status is unhealthy, we give you the prescription of its disease type and then provide you a remedy. So further technical part would be explained by Bharat.
Okay. So in the technical part for programming purpose, we have used the Google Colab as our platform and Python as our language. So the first and foremost thing for making any model or programming product which is based on machine learning, we would need a data set, and that data set we have taken from Kaggle. And next uh, then from that data set, before taking data set, we have considered some libraries which would be needed in building our model, like TensorFlow, and for showing of the leaves we have used Matplotlib. Then then coming to the main thing, that is the consideration of data. We have used image data generator to generate training set and the testing set. Where in the training set there are 4254 images, and in the testing set we have 1170 images. Now coming to the actual model that we have built, and it's based on the mobile net architecture, which comes under the CNN architectures, and we can see how the actual architecture is looking in this summary. Next. And afterwards, after taking this mobile net, we have also included our own layers to it for generating the output in the form with which we are concerned with. And for that, and using that, we have a little more added some layers, and the final layer or the output would have the 38 probability values, as we have 38 different labels, that is output labels. And from that 38, the most probable value would be finally projected as the our final output. Next game. Then we have compiled our model using the Adam optimizers, then categorical cross entropy as our loss, and categorical accuracy as our metrics. Then we have fitted, we have done training on our model with 100 epochs, with 20 epochs and 100 each step epochs. Then we can see that on testing set we got the accuracy of 76% with very much less loss, that is 0.73. Okay, so now coming to the actual implementation of how this whole work, how the product or our model would be working. So now we can see that after running this, we can see a image and we can see its true label. Okay, so we can see the image of the leaf which probably has a disease, and we can see that true label is apple, and the fruit is the leaf is of the fruit apple, and the disease is black rot. And our model has also correctly predicted it as the fruit, that is apple, and the disease, that is black rot. And we have also given the remedy for this disease, which the customer or that user can implement, or which can help him to treat his disease.
Okay. Coming to the challenges we have faced, so we were making an web application for this, but due to compatibility issues we couldn't proceed with that. But as an alternative for working remotely, we have used Google Colab, through which each member can access the code, and also not having a completely fast processing units. Google Colabs provide us an alternative of GPUs, which helped us to handle the great data set. Also, coming to the future scope of this project, we have thought to implement translation to the remedies, which can make it regional user friendly, so that anybody in the rural area can use this web application. Also, improvement in the web interface could be done. So that's it from our side. Thank you.